how to deposit money into the Rips by Triumph app. Once you open up the app itself, you will see a bunch of packs which you can open. If you want to deposit money, then you want to focus on the top right corner of the screen, which has your balance and a plus sign. Once you click on it, then it is going to let you select your payment method. So you can use Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo, and crypto currently. After you have selected your payment method, you will just need to type the amount which you want to deposit, for example, $10, and you will just click on Pay With and your select payment method. Now, if you use Apple Pay, you will just need to confirm with Face ID. If you use PayPal, it's going to ask you to sign in. Venmo, the same thing, and crypto is going to be a little bit more manual, but it is fairly simple overall. You just click on that button and this balance will be added to your account and you can purchase whatever pack you want. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.